Hi everyone, I'm Yume, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to style your long-finned koi. If you have not assembled your koi kit yet, please refer to the main assembly tutorial first. The long-finned koi's pectoral fins are very long and heavy. So if you want to hang your koi from the ceiling, the pectoral fins might droop down from the gravity. Some people might prefer this look, but others might prefer the fins to be more stiff. If you want the fins to be held at a more horizontal position, you can add these fin supports. The fin supports should look like this. Simply insert the tip into the hole under the scale until you reach the little cut on the side. Once you have reached the cut, hook the cut onto the base of the scale, like so. And we'll do the same on the other side. Insert the tip underneath the scale. And once we have reached the cut, simply hook it onto the base of the scale. And now when you hang your long-finned koi from the ceiling, the pectoral fins won't droop down. Here are some additional tips to make your koi look more organic. This tip applies to both long and short-finned koi. When a real koi swims in the water, their fins tend to bend and flow with the current. So we will be replicating that with the paper fins here. Gently take the base of the pectoral fin and curve it downward. Then when you get to the tip, curve it upward. This will create an organic flowing look to the fins. Then we will repeat the process on the other side. Begin at the base of the fin and curve it downward. Gently use your fingers to roll the fin down. Then near the tip, curve it upward. And now it should look like this. And we'll repeat the process with the other two fins. Curving downward at the base, then upward near the tip. And we mirror it on the other side. And then for the bottom fin, first choose the direction your fish is going to curve. Bend the entire body of the fish in the direction you want. And then, starting at the base of the fin, curve the fin in the same direction as the body of your fish. Once you reach the tip, curve it in the opposite direction. And we'll do the same with the tail. Starting at the base of the tail, we'll bend it in the same direction as the body of the fish. And at the tip, we'll curve it in the opposite direction. And you're all done. Now your koi has long flowing fins just like real fish. And don't forget to take some time to admire your creation. And that's it for the styling tutorial. please check out my other tutorial on how to insert and use the LED lights. There are even more tutorials on how to make the bonus mini star, and how to decorate your koi with pens and markers.